ओम नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये. Arjuna was overtaken by compassion and his eyes were full of tears and he was grieving very much. He had thrown his bows and arrows to the ground and sat in the middle of his chariot. And there Lord Madhusudana said him the following words. Kutastva kashmalamidam vishame samupasthitam anarya jushtam asvargyam akirtikaram Arjuna. O Arjuna, why are you afflicted by this dejection at this critical time? It is not the path of great men or religious, righteous men. And this won't take you to the heaven as well. Moreover, it causes disgrace to you. Klaibyam masmagamaha partha. Don't behave as a coward. This is not suitable to a great warrior like you. You have won a number of battles and defeated a number of enemies previously. Do give up this mental weakness and stand up to do your duty. To this Arjuna said, Katham Bhishma Maham Sankhe Dronam Cha Madhusudana. O Lord Madhusudana, how shall I wage war with Bhishma and Drona? They are respected by me and the other world also. Here Arjuna addresses Krishna as Madhusudana. Madhu means honey or sweet. The pleasure of this world, the domestic pleasure, is madhu, honey. The Lord makes us understand the limitation of this domestic pleasure and takes us to the path of spirituality. Madhusudana also means a Madhu is a demon and the slayer of that demon, the one who has killed that demon Rakshasa by name Madhu. Madhu has another meaning, that is the spiritual knowledge, self and God realization. The God gives all the souls, all the seekers like Arjuna, their self and God realization. He distributes their deserved realization to all the seekers. He is named Madhusudana in this respect also. Guruna hatva hi mahanubhavan shreyo bhoktum bhikshamapi loke. Arjuna says, it is better to live in this world eating the food got by begging than to kill the elders and masters like Bhishma and Drona. They are Arthakama. Duryodhana, Dushasana and others are after Artha, the domestic wealth, worldly professions. So, Bhishma and Drona, who are supporting Duryodhana and Dushasana, are also considered Arthakama and also Arthadasa. It is said previously. When the Kaurava and Pandava enemies had gathered in Kurukshetra to wage war, King Yudhishthira had approached Bhishma and Drona and sought their permission to wage war. There they had said to him, Arthasya Purusho Daso Dasastvartho Nakasyachita. O Yudhishthira, victory, Jaya, will be there where there will be Dharma, righteousness. We are Arthadasa. We are the servants of domestic possessions, wealth. We, Bhishma and Drona, are restricted by Duryodhana, Dushasana and others as we are there in Kuru kingdom for long. Dasastu artho nakasyachita. The artha, wealth, is not a servant to anybody, but everyone in this world, like Duryodhana, Dushasana, and those who support him as Bhishma and Drona are the dasa, servants of artha. So, Bhishma and Drona had themselves considered as arthadasa. So, Arjuna also says they are arthakama, those who want wealth and domestic possessions. He thinks by killing these elders, the aspirants of mundane wealth, I will have to enjoy the very same wealth smeared with their blood. Nachaitad vidmaha kataranno gariyo yadva jayema yadivano na jayuho. He says, will we win or will our enemies win us? We don't know which among the two is more probable. In this battleground, there are the sons of Dhritarashtra with whom we have to fight. If one wins in any battle and earns domestic treasures and possessions, one needs and wants his kith and kin, friends and others to share that wealth and possession so that all of them can enjoy the wealth. So, we, the Pandavas, also need and want our kith and kin, friends, our brothers, the sons of Dhritarashtra, even if we win, to share our wealth along with them. In this battle, if they themselves are to be killed by us, who should we share our wealth with? Can we people enjoy the pleasures and possessions among themselves. So we don't want to live even after this war without our brothers. So what is the use of waging the war? कार्पण्य दोषोपहत स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढ़चेताः. O Lord Krishna, my nature itself is affected by the weakness of pity. I really don't know the righteous path and beg you, kindly instruct me the sure path of our welfare. I am your Shishya, pupil, disciple. Kindly give me knowledge as I have surrendered myself to you. In this Shastra, it is said, Moola Bhuta Guru Sarvajananam Purushottamah. To all the souls and seekers, the Lord Himself is Mata. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhucha Sakha Tvameva. The Lord Himself is Mother, Father, Tvameva Bandhucha Sakha Tvameva. He Himself is our relative. He is our friend indeed. Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. The Lord Himself is everything to all of us. Sarvajananam Moola-bhuta Guruha. To all the seekers of this world, the Lord is the most important mentor, Guru. There are so many other Jagat Gurus in this world who have their own groups of disciples. But to all the seekers and disciples, the God Himself is a greatest Guru. Nahi prapashyami mamapanudyat. Arjuna says, I do not see any remedy that can cure my sorrow, which is drying up my karmendriyas and jnanendriyas. Vak, Pani, Pada, Payo and Upastha are karmendriyas, our tongue, hands, feet. The two organs of excretion are five karmendriyas, the organs of action, and Shrotra, Netra, Nasika, Jihva and skin or tvak are considered jnanendriyas. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are 10 karmendriyas and jnanendriyas, the organs of action and sensual organs. And 11th one is the mind. Arjuna thinks the sorrow has dried up all my senses. even getting a great unrivaled kingdom of this world and the kingdom or the authority over gods or heavens will not be a remedy to me. He laments. Evamuktva Rishikesham Gudakesha Parantapah Nayotcheti Govindam Uktva Tushnim Babhuvaha. Arjuna said this much to Lord Krishna and finally said, I will not fight, and kept silent. Here, Lord Krishna is named Rishikesha and Arjuna is named Gudakesha. Rishikani indriyanyahuhu teshamisho yato bhavan Rishikeshaha tato vishnuho. Rishika means the indriyas, the five organs of action and five sensual organs, Karmendriya and Jnanendriya and Manas, mind. The 11 indriyas are named Rishika, and the Lord who controls all those indriyas of all the souls of this universe is named Rishikesha. He can control the senses of not only Arjuna but of the entire universe also. Arjuna is named Gudakesha, the conqueror of sleep or sweet sleep. It is known that Arjuna was a great warrior who had participated in many battles and killed many enemies. To win or participate in a battle, one needs a great physical and mental strength, such as conquering sleep, thirst, hunger, and other natural urges. So, the word Gudakesha means the one who had participated in great wars successfully. But now, the weakness of pity has weakened him. Tamvacha Rishikeshaha Prahasanneva Bharata. Sanjaya says to King Dhritarashtra, Lord Rishikesha or Krishna just laughed at Arjuna and said to him the following words. Arjuna was sitting depressed in the midst of two armies.